Hello dear student, how are you? I hope you are good. In this video, we are going to read our chapter Water O Water, that is Remain. In this video, we will complete our chapter. This is the second part of our chapter. So let's start. Read out the chapter. Water from where? In the poem, we read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and springs. We get water from all these places. From where do you get water? Think, from where do you get water? Put a circle around those places that are either in your house or around it. You have to circle the places that is given here. From where do you get water? If you get water from the lake, then you will circle it, otherwise don't circle it. If you get water from hand pump, then you will circle it, otherwise don't circle. River, stream, tap, tank, sea, hot water, spring. To understand about all these places from where we get water, we will see with picture one by one. So let's say first lake. Lake, a large area of water that is surrounded by land. Already we know about lake. Well, a well is a hole in the ground from which a supply of water is extracted. People had to fetch water from the well. In earlier time, well is very common, but nowadays we use hand pump to get water from earth. Tube well. A tube well is a type of well. Water comes out by pipe from well. Generally, it is used for irrigation. For farming, it is used. You can see here a pipe tube is coming out from wells, and water come out from this pipe. It is a tube well. Pond, a small area of water that is surrounded by land. Lake is a large area of water that is surrounded by land, but pond is a small area of water that is surrounded by land. You can see here in this picture. This is a picture of pond. It is either natural or artificial. It is smaller than lake. Waterfall. A waterfall is a river that falls down from a cliff. We can see here the picture of cliff. This is the cliff, top peak of mountain. When river falls down from a mountain cliff, it called waterfall. Hand pump. You can see here image of hand pump. Hand pump image. A hand pump is a water lifting device or machine that is operated by hand. We use our hand to operate this hand pump. We pumped out water by pressing this handle. River, a large natural flow of the water that goes across the land and into the sea. It is an image of river, a large area that flow of water. Here is the, you can see the stream, not steam, it is stream, a small natural flow of the water. You can see here the small flow of water. It is also a small river. Stream is also a small river. Tap. A tap is a device that is connected with water pipeline through a tank. Mostly people get water from tap. Nowadays it is very common. We will find everywhere in every house. It is very easy to operate, so that nowadays people refer it. They want to use for drinking water, for washing, bathing, cleaning, for any essential work. Water tank. The water that come in this tap from this tank. We can see this type of container that is tank in roof of houses. The sea. Sea is the largest source of water, but sea contains salty water. We can't use this water to drink, to cook, etc. This water is used for making salty sorry this water is used for making salt only. You can't use this water to cook food, to bath, to drink, etc. This is used for only making salt. Hot water spring. A hot water spring is a natural outflow of hot water. Spring is the outflow of water, but hot water spring a spring outflow of hot water from the earth. When hot water comes from the earth, we called it hot water spring. We can see here image of two hot water spring. Some hot water spring contain water that is a safe temperature for bathing, but some are so hot that immersion can result in an injury or death. Have you seen hot water coming out from the ground? Where? Have you ever seen a place from where hot water coming? Let's see some hot water spring that is in India. First, hot water spring at Manikaran in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. Here is an image of Manikaran hot water spring. People are bathing in this hot water spring. Barkeswar hot water spring that is situated in West Bengal. Now, does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write its name. You have to write the name of any river that flow through your village or city. I think here in Barpeta a river flows that is Nakhanda. That is Nakhanda river. Do you know the name of any river? If you know any name of river, you will write here. Let's see some famous river of India in the map. Here we can see here the map of India. Here is the name of some river that is very famous. Chenab, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Satluj. Ganga is the largest river of India. Narmada, Mahanadi, Tapti, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are also the famous river of India. Now, at home, where do you get drinking water? From where do you get? You will write. If you get water from tap, then you will write I get drinking water from tap. If you get water from hand pump, then you will write I get drinking water from hand pump. Like this, you will write your answer. Do you have to go far to get water? How much time does it take to bring the water? If yes, then you have to mention the time of bringing water. But I think you get water from tap, then you don't need to write the answer of this question. Do your neighbor bring water from the same place? No. Why do you need to store water? We need to store water. It can be used when water supply is fail. Are there certain people who are not allowed to take water from there? I don't think so. Color the picture of those containers which you use for storing water. You have to do color of these things which you use for storing water. If you use a container, that is bucket, for storing water, then you will color the bucket, pitcher, plastic container, pot, lota, pitcher, steel pot. In your notebook, draw pictures of any other containers which are used for storing water in your house. Write their names as well. Take a look at the picture. If you fill them with water, which will contain the least water, which will contain the most water? How could you tell? You have to draw some picture of container and then we have to guess. If we fill, if you fill them with water, which container contain least water and which container contain the most water, and then tell how. Chutki is confused. Hiren and Chutki were feeling very thirsty. Their uncle gave both of them mango panna in steel tumblers, but Chutki wanted the drink only in glass tumbler. Her uncle poured the panna into a glass tumbler, but Chutki was not happy. She complained, Uncle, you have given me less panna. What do you feel? Did Chutki glass tumbler had less panna? No, I feel that both tumbler have same panna because this is a tumbler, steel tumbler, glass tumbler. Because it it is the long, but it is the wide. And uncle poured the panna into a glass from steel tumbler. So there is no any chance to differ. Both containers have same panna. Given in the grid are some places where water is found. Find 7 of them and put a circle around each. One has already been done for you. Waterfall. Same, you have to find 7 name of places from where water is found, like sea, well, tap, so on. We will find total 7 name of places where water is found. Next, in every row put a circle around one that is different from the others. Also tell how it is different. First, river, mountain, lake, pond, spring. Can you tell which is different? River, mountain, lake, pond, spring. Mountain is different because river, lake, pond, spring from where we get water. These are the name of places from where we get water. Bathing, washing, swimming, combing hair, knit dough. Here it is the name of activity. To do bathing we need water, washing we need water, swimming we need water, knit a dough we need water, but combing hair we don't need a water, so combing hair will be different. Fish, duck, monkey, crocodile, tortoise. Fish, duck, crocodile and tortoise live in water. Monkey live on tray, so monkey is different from other. Car, boat, bus, train, bicycle. To run car, bus, train, bicycle we don't need water, but to run boat we need water. So boat is different from the others. Next, fun with colors. Take a paper and hold it in the middle. Now unfold it and put some drops of different colors on it. Fold the paper again and press it. Unfold the paper. Look what you have made. First you have to take a paper, then you have to fold it. After that you will unfold it, then you have to drop some drops of color on it, then you have to fold it again and then press it, then unfold the paper finally, and look what you have made. This is an activity for you. You will do it in your home. Our chapter has over today. Thank you.